this is Jackson throwing the Innova Champion Daedalus. Sorry if I butchered that. Here we go. Hole 4, par 3, 282 distance. Let's see what he can do. Oh, great chuck. That is high and just keeps going. Down it goes, a little bit off. You can kind of see it right there, a little bit over there. Let's see what I can do. All right, I'm now throwing the Escape Stable Fairway Driver. Hopefully it stays pretty straight, same hole. Let's see what I can do. Not bad. Not bad. We are down with Jackson throwing this. Let's see what it says.
So you can do
shoe mid-range, yeah. PGA approved. Let's see what he can do. Oh, soft roller, not too far. Let's see if he can get a better putt. All right, here's Jackson's shot for par. Throwing some random putter. Not bad. Hey, that's a tap in for a bogey. Throwing the F2 factory second, PGA approved. Oh shoot. Amazing. Alright, here I am again. Start to another shot. Easy putt. Here's my putt for bogey. He's green. Alright, we both ended off with 2 bogeys each. So we'll see you guys in the next one.